Hello everyone. Let us solve the definition where we will read an input from the user and determine whether it is an even number or an odd number. So if a number contains the last digit as 02468, then it is considered as an even number. And if it is containing the digits 1357 or 9 as the last digit, then it is considered as the odd number. Now, if you want to find out what is the last digit, you need to extract the last digit by maybe using a string manipulation, or you can use the modulo operator. But there's a simple solution to this. You use the modulo operator and try and divide the number by 2 and find the remainder by 2. And that is the logic we will apply here. So the first thing we'll do is convert the input into a number by using the number method. We are not using the %, because we do not know whether the number originally is an integer or a floating point number. So I'll just convert it into a number. So if the number conversion failed, then we will throw an error to the user that it is wrong input. Otherwise, that means it is a number. So if it is a number, I need to find out what is the number like. So for example, whether it is an even number or an odd number. So I'll use the modulo operator, but instead of dividing it by 10 and extracting the last digit, I'm going to modulo it by 2 and find out what is the remainder. So say for example, if a number is 10 and if you modulo it by 2, then you will get the remainder 0, because 2 5s are 10. So it is completely divisible by 2. But if you had a number like 11 and you took the remainder, you would get the remainder 1, because 5 2s are 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Right? So this logic is what we are going to use here. So I'm going to use an if statement and I'll find out the modulo by 2. Now if it is equal to 0, the remainder is equal to 0, then obviously it is an even number. But if you take the modulo by 2 and you're not getting a 0, then it means it is an odd number. So let us try this and check for ourselves. So if I enter a number like 123, it says it is an odd number, and the last digit is an even digit, so it should say it is an even number. And for any other input, it should say it is wrong input. Try this, and next video I'll show you some other definition.